Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be covering how you can install Envato template kits on your WordPress site. So let's get right into it. Now, what you're going to need to do first is you're going to need to install the Envato plugin. I won't be able to do it since I'm on the free version of WordPress. However, if you have a business plan or up, you can install plugins and use them at your leisure. Now, if I search for Envato, as you can see, you have Envato Elements as well as my Envato. Envato Elements should be the plugin you're looking for, but if it's not, you can also search for Elementor, and you might also find another plugin which suits you better. But if I go over into this here, what's it called? A article, yeah, which is the official Envato market installation guide for this. You do need the Envato Elements plugin, and once you install it, you might need a subscription to Elementor Pro, by the way, if you want to install these. But once you do install it, you need to go into WordPress and go into permalinks, ensure that post name is selected and save the changes, then go into themes under appearance and add new, and make sure Hello Elementor is installed. Then the theme activation will prompt you to install and activate the page builder plugin if it's not already installed. So just install that, and then once you do that, you can go into Elementor in settings and go into features and click the Flexbox container and set it to green. If it isn't, set it to active. If you finish that successfully, then you can go into plugins and add new, and then you can add Envato Elements. And if your kit requires Elementor Pro, you need to install it and connect it, and then go into Elements and Settings and ensure the server limits have green checks, and then you just need to import your kit. Then to import the kit, just go into Elements, Installed Kits, then go upload template kit zip file, and that should be pretty much it. And you can also go to Elementor Tools and Import and follow the prompts to install the original zip file downloaded from Envato, and that should be it. Now check for this orange banner and click Install Requirements if your site does not have the required files to run that theme. But yeah, once you're done with that, you pretty much install your kit, and that's pretty much it. Sorry I couldn't show you guys hands-on, but I do have the free version, which disables me from using plugins. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.